Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-diving into a topic that's super close to my heart, the incredible link between physical exercise and brain health. We all know working out is great for our bodies, right? Helps us build muscle, lose weight, and feel more energetic. But what if I told you that every time you get your body moving, you're also giving your brain a powerful upgrade? That's right. We're talking about getting fit to get smart. In this video, I'm going to break down the science behind it in a simple way. And then I'll show you some easy, effective workouts you can do anywhere to boost your brain power. Ready to feel stronger, sharper, and more focused? If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Everlife Health Pro, for more powerful health tips, longevity insights, and wellness guidance. Let's get into it. So how exactly does moving your body make your brain healthier? It's pretty fascinating stuff. First up, let's talk about blood flow. When you exercise, your heart pumps faster, sending more oxygen-rich blood to your brain. Think of it like giving your brain a supercharged fuel delivery. This increased blood flow helps your brain cells function better and can even stimulate the growth of new blood vessels. More blood vessels mean a more robust and resilient brain network. But that's not all. Exercise triggers the release of some amazing chemicals in your brain. One of the most important ones is called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF for short. You can think of BDNF as Miracle-Gro for your brain. It helps existing neurons survive, promotes the growth of new ones, and builds stronger connections between them. This process, known as neurogenesis, is crucial for learning and memory. So every time you go for a run or lift some weights, you're literally encouraging your brain to grow and rewire itself in a positive way. Exercise also helps reduce inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which are linked to cognitive decline. Plus, it's a fantastic stress buster. Physical activity lowers levels of the stress hormone cortisol. High cortisol levels over long periods can damage the hippocampus, a key area of the brain for memory and learning. By keeping stress in check, you're actively protecting your brain from harm. And let's not forget the mood-boosting effects. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that improve your mood and fight off feelings of anxiety and depression, creating an optimal mental state for clear thinking. Now that we understand the why, let's get to the how. What kind of exercise is best for our brains? The great news is, you don't need to become a marathon runner or a professional bodybuilder. A mix of different types of activities seems to be the most beneficial. First, aerobic exercise. This is anything that gets your heart rate up and makes you breathe a little harder. Think brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or dancing. This type of exercise is a champion at increasing blood flow and releasing that wonderful BDNF we just talked about. Even just 30 minutes of moderate aerobic activity most days of the week can make a huge difference. Second, strength training. This includes lifting weights, using resistance bands, or doing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. Building muscle isn't just about looking good. It also has profound effects on your brain. Strength training has been shown to improve executive function, that's your brain's ability to plan, focus, and multitask. It helps protect your brain from age-related shrinkage and improves how different parts of your brain communicate with each other. And finally, let's not forget about balance and coordination exercises. Activities like yoga, tai chi, or even just standing on one leg require your brain to work hard to keep you stable. These exercises strengthen the neural pathways that control your body's movement and spatial awareness, which can help prevent falls and keep you mentally agile as you get older. All right, enough talk. It's time for some action. I'm going to guide you through a simple 15-minute workout routine that combines all these elements. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a little bit of space. This is perfect for a quick morning boost or a midday break to clear your head. Let's start with a warm-up to get the blood flowing. We'll begin with some gentle jogging in place for 1 minute. Just lift your knees and keep your arms relaxed. Feel your heart rate start to climb just a little. Good. Now, let's do some arm circles. 20 seconds forward and 20 seconds backward. Loosen up those shoulders. Finally, let's do some leg swings. Hold on to a wall if you need to. Swing your right leg forward and back 10 times, then switch to the left. Great, you should feel a bit warmer now. Now for our main circuit. We're going to do 4 exercises. We'll do each one for 45 seconds, then take a 15-second rest before moving to the next. We'll go through the whole circuit 3 times. Our first exercise is high knees. This is a fantastic aerobic move. It's like jogging in place, but you're driving your knees up towards your chest. Go at a pace that feels challenging, but sustainable for you. The goal is to get that heart rate up. Keep your core tight. Let's go. 45 seconds on the clock. Remember to breathe. You're doing great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up, we have squats. This is our strength training move. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back and lower down as if you're sitting in a chair. Your back straight. Go as low as you comfortably can, then push through your heels to stand back up. Let's begin. 45 seconds. This is building strength in your legs and glutes, and it's also sending a powerful signal to your brain. Keep it up, just a few more. Date and rest. Third, we have the bird dog. This is a brilliant exercise for balance and core stability. Get on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Now, extend your right arm straight forward and your left leg straight back at the same time. Hold for a second, then bring them back in. Now switch sides. Left arm forward, right leg back. Move in a slow, controlled way. This really forces your brain to work on coordination and stability. 45 seconds, let's do it. Focus on keeping your back flat and your hips level. Excellent, and rest. Our final exercise in the circuit is jumping jacks, a classic for a reason. It's a full-body aerobic move that gets your heart pumping. Let's go for 45 seconds. This is a great way to flush your brain with oxygen. If jumping is too much, you can do a modified version by stepping one foot out to the side at a time while still moving your arms. Find what works for you. Almost there. And rest for 1 minute before we start our second round. Grab a quick sip of water. How are you feeling? You should feel your energy levels rising. That's your body and your brain thanking you. Remember, consistency is key. Going this short workout a few times a week is far better than doing a long, intense one once in a blue moon. Okay, break's over. Let's get ready for round 2. We're going to do it all again. High knees in 3, 2, 1, go. Try to get those knees a little higher this time if you can. You know the moves now, so you can focus on your form and your breathing. You've got this. Keep pushing and rest. Next up, squats. Let's go. Maybe try to get a little deeper in your squat this round. Challenge yourself just a tiny bit more. That's where the magic happens for your muscles and your mind. Perfect form and rest. Time for the bird dog. Begin. Feel that connection between your mind and your body as you balance. This is active meditation in a way. You have to be present and focused. No room for distractions. Beautiful, slow, and controlled movements. And rest. Last one of the round. Jumping jacks. Give it your all. This is the final aerobic push for this set. Think about all that BDNF being released in your brain right now, helping you build a stronger, sharper mind. Let's finish strong. And rest. Great job. One more round to go. Take another minute to catch your breath. Notice how your focus sharpens after a bit of movement. This is what I love about exercise. It's not just about the long-term benefits. You get immediate mental clarity too. If you're ever feeling stuck on a problem or experiencing brain fog, a quick workout like this can be the perfect reset button. All right, team, final round, best round. Let's make it count. High knees, let's go. Last time doing these today, pump those arms, drive those knees. You are building a more resilient brain with every step. Keep going and rest. Now for our final set of squats. Let's do it. Think about that strong posture. Chest up, core engaged, powering up your lower body and your brain. You are so strong. Just a few seconds left. And rest. Back to the floor for our last set of bird dogs. Begin. This is your last chance to work on that balance and coordination. Make each movement deliberate and precise. Feel your core holding you steady. Fantastic work. And rest. Okay, here we are. The final 45 seconds of work. Let's finish with a bang. Jumping jacks, let's go. All out until the end. Empty the tank. You've worked so hard. Be proud of yourself for showing up today. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you are done. Amazing work, everyone. Don't just stop moving suddenly. Let's do a quick cool down. Walk around the room slowly for a minute, letting your heart rate come down gradually. Let's do a quad stretch. Hold on to something for balance. Grab your right foot and gently pull your heel towards your glute. Hold for 20 seconds. Feel that stretch in the front of your thigh. Now switch sides. Next, a hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor, extend your right leg out, and bend your left leg in. Gently fold forward over your right leg until you feel a stretch. Don't force it. Hold for 20 seconds, and switch legs. Finally, take a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, filling your belly with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Do this 3 times. Inhale positivity, exhale stress. You did it. You just completed a full brain workout. Remember, incorporating these simple exercises into your routine can lead to incredible benefits for your cognitive health, improving your memory, focus, and mood. The best workout for your brain is the one you'll actually do. So find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your life. Thank you so much for working out with me today. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on how to live a healthier and smarter life, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what your favorite brain-boosting exercise is. Stay active, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into something super fascinating. How getting your body moving can actually make your brain smarter, sharper, and healthier. We all know exercise is great for our muscles and heart, but what if I told you that the same sweat session could also boost your memory, improve your focus, and even help grow new brain cells? That's right, it's not just about getting fit, it's about getting smart. Stick around because I'm going to break down the science in a simple way and show you some easy workouts you can start today to give your brain the ultimate upgrade. So how does this magic happen? Let's get a little bit nerdy, but I promise to keep it simple. When you exercise, especially aerobic exercise that gets your heart pumping, your body increases blood flow. More blood flow to the brain means more oxygen and nutrients, which your brain absolutely loves. Think of it like giving your brain a 5-star meal. This increased blood flow also helps clear out waste products and reduce inflammation, which is a major factor in cognitive decline. It's like a deep cleaning service for your neural pathways. But wait, there's more. Exercise triggers the release of some amazing chemicals called neurotrophic factors. One of the most famous is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF for short. You can think of BDNF as miracle grow for your brain. It helps existing neurons survive, encourages the growth of new ones, and builds stronger connections between them. These connections are the foundation of learning and memory. So every time you go for a run or a brisk walk, you're not just burning calories, you're literally fertilizing your brain and helping it grow stronger. Another cool thing that happens is the release of endorphins. You've probably heard of the runner's high, right? It's endorphins at work. They are your body's natural mood elevators and pain relievers. This is why exercise is such a powerful tool against stress, anxiety, and even feelings of depression. A happier, less stressed brain is a more focused and efficient brain, and you're not bogged down by mental clutter and worry. You have more cognitive resources available for problem solving, creativity, and learning new things. It's a total win-win. Okay, so we've covered the why. Now for the how. What kind of exercise gives you the biggest brain boost? The good news is, you don't need to become a marathon runner or a professional athlete. The key is consistency and finding activities you enjoy. Let's start with the king of brain-boosting workouts, aerobic exercise. This includes anything that gets your heart rate up for a sustained period. We're talking about brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, dancing, you name it. The goal is about 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity per week. That could be 30 minutes, 5 days a week. And you can even break that down into smaller chunks like 2 15-minute walks a day. Let's make this super practical. A great starter workout is a brisk walk. Put on your favorite podcast or playlist and just go. Try to walk fast enough that you can still hold a conversation, but you're breathing a little heavier than usual. As you get fitter, you can pick up the pace or add some small hills to your route. Another fantastic option is cycling. Whether it's on a stationary bike at the gym or exploring trails outdoors, cycling is low impact and a great way to get your heart pumping. And who doesn't love dancing? Turn up the music in your living room and just move. There are no rules. It's fun, it relieves stress, and it's a brilliant workout for both your body and brain. Now, while aerobic exercise is the star player, don't forget about strength training. Lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even doing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats have unique brain benefits. Strength training helps improve executive function. These are the high-level cognitive skills you use for planning, organizing, and paying attention. It's the stuff that helps you get things done. Building muscle also improves your body's ability to regulate insulin, and better insulin sensitivity is strongly linked to better brain health. You don't need to become a bodybuilder. 2 or 3 20 to 30-minute sessions a week are plenty to see a difference. Finally, let's talk about exercises that challenge your coordination and balance, like yoga, tai chi, or learning a new sport. These activities are incredible for your brain because they force it to learn new movement patterns. Every time you try to hold a new yoga pose or learn a new tennis swing, you're building new neural pathways. It's a mental workout and a physical one at the same time. These mind-body practices are also excellent for reducing stress, which, as we know, is a huge brain drain. They teach you to be present and aware of your body, improving your focus and concentration in all areas of life. So let's put it all together. What does a brain-healthy week look like? Aim for about 30 minutes of aerobic activity like jogging or cycling on most days. Sprinkle in 2 days of strength training, working all your major muscle groups. And try to add 1 or 2 sessions of something that challenges your coordination, like a yoga class, or even just playing catch in the park. The most important thing is to find something you love, because if you enjoy it, you'll stick with it. Start small. Maybe this week you just commit to a 15-minute walk every day. Then next week you can add a little more. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Remember, every step you take, every weight you lift, and every new move you learn is a direct investment in your long-term brain health. You're not just building a stronger body, you're building a more resilient, sharper, and more creative mind. It's one of the most powerful things you can do for your overall well-being, and it's accessible to everyone right now. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this inspired you to get moving for your mind. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite way to exercise? Let's share some ideas and motivate each other. Stay active, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.